Hi, this is Chris from Riding Reviews, and today we're going to be talking about how to tension a chain. Now this bike is an LXR 125, and as you can see, this isn't acceptable. Get a better view. The problem is if you have your chain this loose, sooner or later it's just going to come off and potentially lock around your back wheel, snap, either break the casing in the front or come off and lock your back wheel, which obviously you don't want. So here we have two 14mm spanners and a 13 and some red grease. First thing you need to do is loosen the tyre, the wheel. This is probably quite hard to do. Well, it should be quite hard to do. Release the captive nut. Sometimes these are a bit stiff. Just give it a little bit of a tap. Do the same on the other side. And the important thing when you're tightening a chain is make sure that you adjust it the same on both sides. I'll do half a turn this side, half a turn, check it, obviously it's loose. I'm going to give this a turn and a half, still loose, but do the other side. As you can see, it's starting to tighten up again. Oh, that's another turn and a half. So that is fairly tight. As you can see, there's about half an inch's play. Recording. So now you have to tighten up the back wheel again because you've tested it. Now with the size of the nut on the back of this, by hand with these sort of spanners there's no way that you're going to be able to snap them or over tighten them. So just give it a lot because you don't want to under tighten it and it end up falling off. So then you get a red grease or your chain lube and just coat it on there. With chain lube that comes in a can, we find that it tends to come off quite quickly. And especially in the weather like now, because it's winter, you find that your chain will go rusty. And then it will start going hard in places. And when it starts doing that, you're going to have to replace the chain. Because the other thing is, you don't want to over tighten it. Because if you do that, then the chain will just snap. Some people, they start the bike, stick it in first gear, and then they put the grease on under here. The problem with that is if you get it wrong, number one, your brush or whatever can get caught in there, or you can get your finger stuck and it will chop your finger off. It's better to have a little bit too much than not enough. But you can get cleaning tools that every once in a while you want to give it a clean, so that you get all the road gunk out in between the sections. So yeah, that is how to tighten your chain correctly. Now you can do it without the paddock stand, but you just got to occasionally just rock it back and forward a little bit, just so that you can get the right tension. Now I have done this a little bit over, because I know that this person will probably not tension their chain until the next time that they come in for a service. Thanks for watching my video, hope it's helped. Please comment below if you've got anything to say. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated to all my latest videos. And as always, ride safe.